Hello and hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to discuss about difference between real flow and money flow. Real flow and money flow represent two different aspects of economic activity. First, real flow. Real flow, the term flow means the flow of factors service from household to firms. Similarly, the flow of goods and services from firms to household. Real flow refers to the flow of goods and service in an economy. इसमें कोई भी मनी टर्म का यूज नहीं करते हैं, केवल गुड्स एंड सर्विस को इंक्लूड करते हैं. अंडर द एक्चुअल फिजिकल प्रोडक्शन एंड कंजम्पशन ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विस as well as factor of production like labor and capital. Real flow is concerned with the tangible aspect of economic activities such as production, distribution and consumption. It is also known as physical flow. Now money flow. The money flow refers to the flow of factor payments from firms to household for factor service. मनी फ्लो ऑन द अदर हैंड, मनी फ्लो में मनी टर्म्स को शामिल किया जाता है, मीन्स मनी ट्रांजेक्शन को शामिल किया जाता है. मनी में कोई भी ट्रांजेक्शन को करते हैं. मनी टर्म्स रेफर्स टू द फ्लो ऑफ मनी और फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजेक्शन इन एन इकोनॉमी. इट इंक्लूड द circular of economy for the purchase of goods and service, investment activities, saving and the payment of wages and salary. Money flow provides a representation of the financial transactions and monetary exchange that occur within an economy. It is also known as nominal flow. In summary, real flow focus on the physical aspects of economic activities and money flow focus on the financial transactions and monetary exchange that facilitate economic activity. That's all. Thank you. तो इस तरह आपने मनी फ्लो और रियल फ्लो के बीच डिफरेंस को, अंतर को समझा होगा. दैट्स ऑल. थैंक यू.